Welcome to the Archie Create channel. I think this is my 4th channel. Here's a little backstory about me. I started creating content in December 2022 about the video game FIFA, or is now called EAFC, about little things like pack openings and how to make coins in this game. And after a while I got a bit bored of it, so I quit it. Started up again, and I made a big mistake of buying subscribers. I bought subscribers because I'm not proud of it, not proud of what I've done. Bought subscribers, I put my hands up. And I felt like I kept pushing more and more and putting more and more effort into the videos, but they were getting less and less views. And like that subscriber count that I spent like £20 on when I was like 12, 13 years old was like pointless. It's like, what am I doing in my life? So I quit again. Came back, I reckon 6-7 months later, and started creating content again on this other channel and like really putting my soul into it and really trying hard. And eventually it worked for me, and I started getting like the recognition I deserved. When I got like 200 subscribers on that channel, I got a brand deal for like £150, and like that's a lot of money when you're 13, 14 years old. Like that's a lot of money, and that was like per month. I could say to my friends, I'm making 150 quid a month playing FIFA in my bedroom. That was pretty sick. So that's kind of my backstory about me. Since like the past year I've basically been creating content on my other YouTube channel, Archie, where I post content about social media mixed with football, and that's kind of like my niche. And like I've got a couple hundred subscribers, like I've got a couple of videos with like over a couple thousand views, nothing crazy. But I kind of want this channel to be where I document my life and like my journey and my goal and everything like that about making money and creating content. At the moment, I'm 15 years of age, and I think by the time I'm 18, I've said it a lot of times before on previous channels and previous social media posts and everything like that, by the time I'm 18 years old, I want to be the biggest content creator in the UK. I have said this so many times. I've been watching content since I was like 8 years old, loving it, and I want to be a content creator, an successful one by the time I'm 18 years old. Hopefully that does come into tuition. So what the channel is going to be, basically, I think I'm going to do videos where like I feel like the day in the life. So like what I do in my day-to-day life to help me create content, stuff like that, or ways I'm making money, or literally go through and show the process of how I reach out to brands and get brand deals, or tell you guys how to make better thumbnails or better videos, or just talk about being content creator and how to make money. And maybe even I could do a series where like I trying to make $10,000 in a month or something like that, something stupid like that. Thank you all for watching this first video. I hope you did enjoy. If you are new to the channel, which you probably are because it's my first video, if you are new, I would click this button right here. It's to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.